Torrential rains have struck Southern California, unleashing destructive mudslides in San Bernardino County. What were once quiet neighborhoods quickly turned into rivers of mud, leaving families trapped and roads completely impassable. Emergency teams from the County Fire District, CAL FIRE, and public works agencies have been working around the clock to clear debris and restore access. One motorist was briefly trapped, and several vehicles were stranded, but officials confirmed that no injuries have been reported so far. In communities like Oak Glen and Forest Falls, residents were forced to shelter in place as crews fought through the night to reopen vital roads. Highway 38 was cleared and reopened, allowing some stranded drivers to finally escape the danger zone. Damage assessment teams are now surveying homes and infrastructure to measure the full scale of destruction. Authorities warn that the situation remains unstable, with the risk of new slides, falling trees, and more flooding. The National Weather Service has forecast possible thunderstorms across mountain and desert areas, raising fears of additional disasters. Officials urge residents to remain cautious, stay updated on alerts, and prepare for rapidly changing conditions.